स्कोर करना। मैं पहन रहा हूँ कार्ड। गिव इट अर्षा। अर्षा यू कैन स्कोर। अरे उसको पता नहीं है। विघ्नेश यू नो कम।
Good running.
अरे वो वैसे ही खेलता है। Next bowler. Leela Krishna Moram. Correct, right?
బయట కదా తాకింది కాలు తాకింది అనుకున్నాను కాలు తాకలేదు కానీ బయట
రవి
లెగ్ కదా అది ఓ లెగ్ కదా అది లెగ్ కదా అది ప్యాటర్నా
नंबर 1 बेस्ट
Thank you.
నేను కాలు తాకిందేమో ఇచ్చేసాడు
తీసా దాంట్లో ఏం కాదు నాకు నేను ఆడతా బేసిక్గా
నిన్న పెట్టుకుని ఆడలేదు
నిన్న వేరు హెల్మెట్ ఉండేది వైడా బాల్ వైడే వేసాడు తగిలింటే ఏడు పడేది వచ్చి బాల్
తాకలేదేమో
लक्ष्मण नेक्स्ट या आप నేను వెళ్ళిపోయింది అనుకున్నా ఎక్కడో అంతేం లేదమ్మా ఫస్ట్ బాల్ అయింది కానీ అనవసరంగా దాని లడ్డు వాళ్ళు వచ్చింది తెగదా అనుకొని కూర్చే అది నాది అయిపోయింది నాకు నెక్స్ట్ కావాలి 3 quarters ఉంది నెక్స్ట్ 3 quarters ఉంది నెక్స్ట్
అవతల వాడు ఉన్నాడని చెప్పి కీపర్ నుంచి
ఆహా
ఇచ్చారు ఆడికి ఏమి
అదేగా ఇదేమైనా కాన్ఫిడెంట్గా ఆడాలమ్మా అదే మాట కాదని మొగానికి కొట్టుకుంటాడు మొన్న కొట్టుకుంటాడుగా
Bowler name.
ఎక్స్ట్రా బౌలర్ కూడా యాడ్ అవుతాయి ఎక్స్ట్రా బౌలర్ స్టాట్స్లో యాడ్ అవుతాయి స్కోరింగ్లో మనకి యాడ్ అయింది వాడికి యాడ్ అవుతాయి
నువ్వు బయటికి దింగే కాసేపు చుట్టుపక్కల కనపడబాకు
మనోడు రాటికేసి కొట్టాడు
అడిగేసి కొట్టలే సీసే సౌండ్ వచ్చేది
That's good. At least I'll do that.
Somebody do comment.
Let some highlights come back.
Anyone wants. Only daughters. I had it right. This ball is good.
don't run it.
The team is going good but slow. Very defensive start. Let's see what happens. Good attempt by Anurag. There was a misfield by the bowling team. Good running between the wickets, and Anurag takes successful 2 runs. The bowling team doesn't seem too confident, neither does the batting team. So the team which will be able to show more intent might be the winner out here. It's just about showing the intent, not being too defensive, not being too aggressive. Good short ball. Should have been left by Anurag actually, but trying to hit it around the ground, but ending up losing the ball. The bowler is going to bowl the next ball. Here goes the bowler. Good shot by Anurag, and catch dropped by the fielding team, and it should run away for a boundary, but the slow outfield shows its play, and then still we see 2 runs. So what we see until now is that running between the wickets might be the key. The ball is not travelling in the air, neither on the ground. So batsmen need to run. Doubles is what every ball is required at least. If you see the way Venkat got out is shows that the player is not in form. We might want to see a replay. And a good shot by Om, and that's a boundary. First boundary for the scoring Comets. Om looks in a good nick. He's trying to aim for the leg side boundary, which is a bit shorter side. Good shot by the batting team. Good shot. Good bowling, but a wide ball. This bowler seems to generate pace. The previous 2 bowlers didn't seem to have some kind of pace, but this bowler is generating some pace. What Om likes actually. That's why he was able to hit the first ball for a 4. Other 2 balls were a bit sluggish. Other 2 bowlers, like, they were pitching the ball in a good place, but still their pace was not good. So it was getting difficult to time the ball for both Anurag and for Om. But now this bowler is generating some pace. So it might be a bit easier for the batting team to hit. Om decides to leave the ball and let it go. What happened? Oh, they are playing. One more wide ball. The bowler needs to warm up. It's a bit cold in the morning. A bit stretching is required. Some outside disturbance. Now you will see a guy running into the ground. Oh, he almost slipped. You see this guy? Bullshit guy. Oh, one more shot. One more good shot by an Om. Om has hit 2 boundaries in this over, and there are multiple wides. So this over is a big one for the scoring Comets team. The captain seems very busy in the phone. I don't know if he's sending money or what to somewhere. Now he got shy and is going back. So bowling team is doing some changes. They felt that the batsman is just putting everything into the leg side. So both the players which have to be outside 30-yard circle are now in leg side. So batsman might want to change the style of their batting. 20 runs up and one more wide. The weather is good today to play actually. Dew is not there, sun is out, might get a bit warmer as the day progresses, and during that Om had a good slog shot for a single. The problem might be the team is looking to play a lot on leg side. So they have put both the fielders on the leg side on the boundary, so boundaries might dry up. They might have to run a bit harder. Let's see. Anurag doesn't seem very comfortable with the ball right now, but he might be after a few balls. He's trying to defend. He should play a natural game, I think. He's defending too much to save his wicket. He should play his natural game and try to hit some boundaries and get in touch back again. He will do good, I'm sure. See the shot? That's what I was talking about. That's his natural game and he should continue with it. If he plays too defensive, he becomes very conscious and starts to plug towards left side, off side, leg side. But if he plays his natural game, he will do good. He's just a bit conscious right now. Once he comes in good touch, you'll see the blasting batsman in him. He just needs one good innings and the match will be Comets.
Hit the camera. Come on, hit the camera. Yeah, if everybody is willing to pay $3,000, then fine. Target practice.
అవి అండ్రాకి అవుట్ అయితే మనల్ని పంపిద్దాం.
కాదు లైక్ లాంగ్ ఇన్ ఆడతారు.
వెళ్ళి వాళ్ళు ఆపుతారు. Over. 27.
हर्षा बॉलिंग टू हर्षा मैन.
Bowler Harsha. Bowler नहीं. Harsha. నేను నీళ్ళు నేడే ఉన్నా. Next. Shot.
Good. Oh, sorry. Just need to keep it. Not you. What's the go for long innings. He just picked the fielder. अरे शॉट है, क्या बात है, शॉट बॉय, गुड शॉट. మొత్తానికి మన వాళ్ళు ఇటు సైడ్ కొట్టడం నేర్చుకున్నారబ్బా. आएगा बहुत सही अनुराग, बहुत सही. और हमारी टीम he doesn't want to say Anurag doesn't. Only Amran also says. Yeah. He doesn't match with the other man. But good. Good going, guys. Good going. Double आजा. Good call.
So we are back after a break. Team seems to be seeing some kind of momentum during the break. One wicket fell. That was Om Sharma. He was batting brilliantly, but unfortunately he got out. But now Anurag seems to be in a good touch. He's hitting the ball. He's seeing the ball. He's hitting pulls. He's hitting cuts, square cuts. He's running well. The overall situation looks a bit better. Om? Over or run? Over or run? 6 overs. So 6 overs done.
No, not done last one.
Run.
41.
41 for 2.
5.9, 41 for
5.5 overs done, and 41 for 2 is the score right now. 1 ball to go in this over. Good defense by Anurag. Very sensible batting. You copied my comment already, like that was out of my mouth already, and you just spoke it. Lakshma on the strike. We have a new bowler on the crease. Bowler name, you know? Ask them.
Bowler name?
UV is the new bowler.
Ravi, you should do it. He's doing professionally, man. And he's
What? If I tell the bowler name, it's wrong.
no. Tell Ramesh Power is making a comeback.
Without edit, disturb
You want funny commentary or what?
Funny commentary. We will watch again.
Okay. So the team is wanting to have some type of funny commentary. Let's see what this Ramesh Pawar can do now. Let's see if they can change their fortune. Oh, he's bending a bit. Sure.
Double.
But and there's a misfield. Has it run to 4 or 6? The player says 6. Oh, and there's the overthrow. There's the overthrow. And they ran 4 runs. What's happening? It's all going crazy in the field. What's happening? Do you see some dissimilarity between Pawar and this guy UV? He's running into the pitch. He's bowling kind of medium pace.
They ran 4.
They ran 4. Nice. So Om Sharma is joining us in the commentary box.
Hello everyone, Lakshma on strike and Mr. Pawar is bowling.
Oh,
Good
nice
shot!
Oh, there's a misfield. The fielder wanted to go for a catch, and there might be an overthrow. No.
Keep going.
Batsmen seem to be in a good touch now. Like, if they play a few balls, it's easier to hit the ball, to see the ball. Anurag has been there for some time now. He's stable. He has to go till end if the team has to score more than 150, 160 runs. Definitely one player has to get fixed. Other players need to take charge. And see, what a brilliant shot by Anurag. That's what I was talking. That's what I was talking about earlier, right? Anurag needs to play his natural game. He was being a bit too defensive in the start, which was making him miss few balls.
Batting boy, batting!
Captain seems to have some confidence now.
He's doing it good, man. Good commentary. Yeah, that's what I told you. He is not letting me speak. Yeah, you speak. You both discuss. Usually
The captain is having some. Oh, nice shot! 4 runs or not? Good fielding.
50 up.
Good batting boys, good batting!
So Om was the opening batsman. Let's ask him how were the conditions on the pitch. Om, how was the conditions on the pitch?
So the condition on the pitch is actually very suitable for batting. The bowlers are not able to throw ball at a great pace. I think all their bowlers are medium fast bowlers, and they're pitching it right in front of the bat, just like the ball they just did.
What do you think? Is it the kind of a strategy like to bowl out some bad bowlers and then bring in the good bowlers in the later stage of the game?
Can't say because we don't know their team, and it could be that they will be bringing in some good bowlers, but as per my experience, I think all their good bowlers have bowled already. But any bowler can turn out to be a really good bowler in any match.
Yeah, that's true. It's just a matter of the bowling team is appealing, but the umpire says no.
Good running, boy. Good running.
Running boys, running!
Is there any dart?
So the bowling team was quite confident, but the umpire team stays on the decision firmly. But unfortunately, there's no review because this is our personal recording.
Yeah. So one thing which I would like to bring to this commentary, maybe Rishabh might have already explained to you guys that the cones, the markers for the boundaries and for the 30-yard are placed by both the teams. So today the outside boundary has been set by the bowling team, and the inside circle for 30-yard circle has been placed by the batting side. So I must think camera. So if we maybe
If we ask the cameraman to pan around a bit, Om might be able to explain it better. But still, Om, I have trust in you. You can explain.
okay,
without
so
The
the
leg side
boundary
boundary.
on the offside is really long. Like it's
Yeah,
maybe
that's what I
it's,
talked about
yeah.
earlier. So Om was very strategically playing towards the shorter boundary because he knew that leg side boundary is a bit shorter. So he was trying to hit everything on the leg side. But unfortunately, the bowling team understood his plan and put both the outside fielders on the leg side. Oh,
Good shot, another six by Anurag.
That's what I was talking about. That's what I was talking about. Yeah, Anurag is stable now. This team can make good score now. 180 should be on their mind now. 180, easy 180 should be on their mind. 6? What do you want? We acknowledge everything, man.
Is that
I acknowledge when you get the six.
6, right?
No, acknowledge.
So the umpire seems to be in a bit confusion that
Man,
people
60
are.
acknowledgement theory, man. We know that 6.
No.
But he's saying that acknowledge that you
Yeah.
recorded it.
The umpire is a bit conscious about it. Nice shot! And there's a. Oh! There's a misfield. There's a catch drop in the field. Is this a catch or a match?
Hey, Anurag, watch the fielder. Man, what you put a fielder? Always.
The same thing happened in yesterday's match with Hassan Ali. Do you remember that with 3 sixes in the end?
No, I actually
didn't see
I didn't see.
Oh, that was a brilliant
match.
match. Matthew Wade just waded Pakistan, man.
Bad for Pakistan. Why,
Yeah.
What happened in
One,
the last 3
I'll
balls?
tell you. So what happened is there were 10 balls, 18 runs left. So Matthew Wade gave one catch on the same position he gave right now,
Oh
and he
my
dropped. Hassan Ali dropped, and next 3 balls he hit 3 sixes consecutively.
Oh my God, Hassan Ali must be in
Hassan
real pain
Ali,
right
yeah.
now.
Hassan Ali is getting threats from all over the world.
Yeah, I read a comment saying Hassan Ali dropped a catch. And
Nice shot.
Very good shot.
Very good shot.
Make it 3, make it 3.
It should run away for a boundary.
4, good batting.
Batting, boys, batting.
Batting by batting.
So the batting team has decided to take the charge. As the batsmen are set, they have decided they'll go for it now. And the bowler seems to be a bit relaxing. So this was the opening bowler, right?
Wait, was it the
No.
red t-shirt?
The red
guy?
t-shirt was Red t-shirt
No,
was the
red,
opening bowler.
red t-shirt. Yeah.
Umpire, I acknowledge 4.
So Venkat seems to be trolling the umpire.
Shot, hey boy.
For a single.
Nice.
Venkat looks to be in a good attire today, but unfortunately, his attire could not demonstrate his form. He is full with glasses, hat, Under Armour.
Yeah, so even last time Anurag scored really well on this same pitch.
Did he?
Yeah, I think he scored somewhere in
20,
30s,
20 and
32
30s. Yeah.
runs. And we had won that match.
Oh yeah, we had won that match. That's right. I remember. We were bowling second. We were batting first again.
Yeah, and we had set a target of 168 something.
So that's over. Bowler takes quite a breath. It was a long over for him.
63.
So Lakshma is also looking in good touch
63.
today. I think if these both players play for a
How
long
many overs?
time,
8.
8
we
overs
may
done.
cross 180 target today. Last time we had scored around 160.
It's like 7 point
No,
something.
we scored 77 runs.
No. Last time on this ground we scored 160 runs, 160 plus
On
runs.
this same ground, same venue, same
Yeah,
batting
Venkat was
first.
talking about a last match,
Which was not pretty
trashing
well.
defeat by
But
the
that's-
DCL team.
But what do you think?
Never
Om?
seen before score from
That's all-
scoring comets.
That's also important to learn from mistakes, right?
Yeah,
If
yeah.
you get all the success, you won't learn.
Yeah, I think it was a much
Eye
needed,
opener.
much needed eye opener.
Yeah. But the team learned from their mistakes. Om came in time today.
Yeah, usually I prefer to come like after 5 overs into the game and just to get the feel of it.
Nice ball. Ramesh Pawar
Nice
looks
ball.
into good touch now. I think first over always is tough for any bowler to come in directly and bowl.
Yeah, he does seem like Ramesh Pawar. His action is also very similar to him.
Just the only difference is he's running in, like he's trying to bowl medium. He's a spinner.
Yeah.
That's it.
I think we may see a wicket in this over.
We cannot say that. And that's a good shot. That's a good shot for a single. Oh, and the team is misfielding a lot. They seem to be out of touch. I
Yeah,
think.
the fielding team is under pressure. I think it's mostly because of the batting
Yeah, the
performance
team.
shown by both the batsmen on the pitch right now.
That can be the reason. But from starting itself, I've seen they're loosey on the fielding side. I guess they dropped one catch.
Yeah, that's.
Ohm's catch was a good one. Actually, I feel he held a good catch.
Yeah, I misread the ball.
Oi!
The fielder was actually.
Is it a
good.
four? Nice shot. Actually.
2 runs, come on.
Oh, there's some confusion on the pitch, and okay, Lakshma makes back in time.
Batting, boys, batting!
अरे अनुराग डेंजर इन मेरी याद रहा वो अनुराग
Batting, बहुत सही. Let him play. Don't say anything. Because
So, if you see Anurag's bat, that is a special bat, you know. That is not a simple bat which we play normal cricket with. That's specially
Yeah.
made for a tape ball. So, if you see closely, when he comes back, we'll be able to show you better.
yeah, so this bat was specially purchased by Ravi Vanam, our captain for the day, and I think he bought it for some $50. We still have to. The team still has to
From
pay.
Amazon?
I think from Amazon. So the speciality of this bat is that the surface area of this bat is much
Bigger.
more compared to any other normal bats. I would say more standard bats. And
So, but is it allowed in cricket? Is it okay in rule book to
So,
have a oversized bat?
I have not read anything about the bat size, but yeah. So we have seen similar kind of bat in many matches.
Okay.
We have seen
Oppositions use it?
Yes, oppositions use it, and so the speciality of this bat is, apart from the surface area, the weight of this bat is reduced by removing material from different sections of the bat, and that allows the batsman to swing it with great speeds. Okay, that's what this bat's
And
is
this
for.
bat is engineered to hit, I feel, because the weight and the mass of the center is also distributed evenly, I feel.
Yes, so this bat is definitely engineered to play quick shots, to get into
4 run
quick action. But the disadvantage,
game ball.
the disadvantage of this bat is that if the batsman is not powerful, he might not be able to
Hit the ball.
make good
Connection.
Maybe he will make the good connection, but the ball may not cross the boundary. With this bat, you also need a lot of power.
And timing as well, I feel.
And yes, definitely timing is required with all the bats.
So, when I played with this bat, what I felt that this bat is a bit longer for me. So it was hitting my hand. It caused some injury. If you see
So,
this.
will you be able to bat today?
No, this was older injury, like when we
Okay,
were
okay.
practicing.
Okay.
Now it has healed. Where, like it was hitting my hand because I was not used to it.
Yeah. That depends on what kind of grip you play with.
And that's in the
That's
air.
a very good shot, and it may go for a 4, and it's a
And
4.
it went for a 4.
Very good shot, boy.
Team is looks in a good touch today. The batsman seems to be in good touch. This is an important partnership, right?
Yeah.
They have- they
Let's
have
inquire
settled-
about this. What's the score? Venkat. Score.
72
What? 2 overs?
9th over 9.2
We are into the 9th over, and we have already crossed 70 runs mark. So
Team is going good.
team is going great. Yeah.
I think in next 10 overs, if we hit next 100 runs, that's a good out.
He just said team is going good, and Lakshma just nicked his wicket.
Yep. But it's okay.
He was in
did
very
his
good
part.
form.
He did his
Yeah.
part.
Batting, boy, batting.
Other people also want to bat, so he's very considerate about it.
Ganesh
Lakshma is
Batting, boy, batting.
Lakshma is very considerate. He wants everyone to bat in the team.
boy good shot
Lakshma played very well. He had
Very
some
well.
good shots. He was hitting center.